We need values of x that satisfy both inequalities at the same time. First, convert the decimal to a fraction so the denominators are clear. Now, solve the first inequality by clearing denominators. Multiplying by 10 is positive, so the inequality direction stays the same. Distribute carefully across the numerator expression. The constants on the left combine to -7. Subtract 5x from both sides to collect x terms. Because we divide by a positive number, the inequality sign does not flip. Next, solve the second inequality separately. Multiplying by 6 is positive, so the inequality direction remains unchanged. Distribute 3 through the parentheses. Subtract 2x from both sides to collect the variable terms. Here we divide by a negative number, so the inequality sign must flip. This is a common mistake to avoid. The solution must satisfy both inequalities, not just one of them. So x lies strictly between the two boundary values. The final solution is this open interval, because both inequalities are strict. There are no extra domain restrictions, since every denominator in the original system is a non-zero constant.